Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to link Epic Games account to YouTube. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, what we need to do is open up a web browser and go to youtube.com. From here, make sure to sign into your account. Once you've signed into your account, click onto your user profile and then click into settings. Inside of settings, on the left hand side, we've got different tabs. We want to go ahead and click on the connected apps tab. Then from here on the right, it's going to say connected apps, expand your experience, connect YouTube with other apps and watch more easily. So scroll down and find Epic Games. Here it is here, Epic Games, connect accounts and watch approved events and videos for a chance to win in-game rewards. So go ahead and click on to connect. Another pop-up's going to appear. Click on connect again. Then continue to connect accounts. So click on continue again. Now another little pop-up's going to appear where you need to sign into your Epic Games account. So go ahead and put in your email, password, click continue. They might ask you if it's the right account. Go ahead and click on yes, continue. And then now you want to go ahead and click on allow. Then click on to done linking. And then it should come back to YouTube here. Continue to connect, accounts connected. So watch approved events and videos for a chance to get in-game rewards. So if we go ahead and click on OK here, and then if we look for Epic Games, you're going to see it is now connected.